Oh, it's okay. Oh no, I smell trouble. Huh? Sorry. Oh, a close call. Let's clean it up now. We just pull one bag from here and put it inside. It's just like one of those ravenous books from Harry Potter. Yep, it's that easy. Now I have to find the nearest bin. I don't like these dark streets. Better find my key quick before Demandas show up. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's too dark. Wait a minute. Let there be light. Haha, how cool is that? My dog is usually my guiding light, but his leash helps too. There you are. Come here, mister. I found it. Huh? Oh, you scared me, buddy. Let's go in. Okay, we're home. Aren't you free? Go have fun, you good boy. Finally, I can have some rest. Huh? Oh, someone hasn't showered in a bed, it seems. I wonder who it is. Surprise, surprise.
What, human?
Oh, time for a cleanup. Huh? Let's do it. Hey, this is gonna help you.
Give me a paw, human.
Mama will clean your paws. It doesn't hurt, don't worry.
Did it work?
Huh? Clean and shiny. Huh? What is this? All of that fur falling off. Oh, we need to brush you. This thing is all we need. Watch all the extra stuff come off with just a few strokes. Ew, look how messy your hair was. Oh, let's clean it up. Ouch! It's too sharp. Oh, huh? Look at that. Just push that and collect the hair safely, huh? Better. Who is the best boy?
Got to be me.
Now, massage time.
Whoa. Am I already in heaven? But now it's playtime. Oh, what's that over there? I need this ball, I need this ball.
What? Let me take a look. I got it.
Yep.
This is what you're looking for? Hey, let's go. It will happen again. People always get stuck in here. So let's do something about it.
I mean, here it comes.
Uh-huh. Do you want to play?
How about that?
You want to play? I have something for you. All we need is a piece of cardboard and a marker to outline some things. Do you see where this is going? I'm first.
So it's my choice now?
How wise of you, mister. I play here.
Okay, this square looks tasty.
Cross marks the spot. And I play here now.
I'm sorry, but I win. You're still the best.
Wow, good job! Now let's stand up for the dog's national anthem. You are the winner. Now let's go get you more gadgets. Hope nothing will happen again.
Uh-huh. You are my little brother. Understood? Come on.
Stop! Who is it?
This is my little brother.
Where are my glasses? Go! Let's have a look. Hey, you! Get out! Goodbye.
Okay, Daisy. Plan B.
You again? Ha! Gotcha!
Okay. Goodbye, Daisy.
Haha! Not in my shift!
Daisy, it worked.
La 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 la. Achoo! What? Smells like dog.
Yeah, we made it inside the school. Go inside.
I saw you with the dog. Where is it?
These things don't work on me. You like dogs. You adore dogs. What have we done? What is happening?
I don't know.
What is it? Ducks are not allowed here. Okay, let's go. Okay, just don't bite me.
Okay, class, today we'll discuss about fish. Huh? Huh? Smells like a dog. Oh. What's this?
That's my suit for dancing competition.
Don't hide it. Open it. Show what's inside.
No problem.
It's time to help you. It's really yours?
I'm playing Juliet. Oh, Romeo.
Stop it. Go to the class. Wait.
Scanning.
What was that?
Of course, you can check it by yourself.
Suspicious. Achoo.
Grandma's lunchbox. Good luck, Daisy.
Let's put it here.
Lala books. Let's go, Daisy.
What do we have here?
Lala books.
Looks okay, you can go.
Good job, my girl.
Not on my shift. Okay. So strange.
But where's Daisy?
I brought you books. Whatever.
Get ready for the test. Oops. Hey, Chris, you need answers?
Come. Yeah, great. Teachers.
Why would she scream? She's will not is the dog.
Today I have a better plan.
Oh.
Knock, knock. Come on. Good job.
Let's see how well we can do now.
Jason, do you have a pen?
I sense no dogs. Okay, base 46.
Bakery for dogs. For human.
Food only on breaks.
Daisy, come on. Come on, come on. Go, go. I'll sit here.
Right, okay. What's going on here?
Just hungry. Oh.
Okay, you can have some.
Best crackers for human. Bakery for dogs. God.
Okay.
Finish it, Daisy.
Maybe not today.
Huh?
Hey, doggy!
Homeless animals. Homeless animals? It's close.
Ha!
This can work. Daisy, be quiet.
What's that strange sound?
It's a little bit broken.
Okay.
Daisy, Daisy! Hey, Daisy, what are you doing? Hey! Oh, God. Daisy, be more behaved next time.
Chop knife and What is this? I'm quitting.
Good girl, Daisy.
Someone is cheating. I have a feeling that something is wrong. Wow, where does this lead?
What are you doing here?
Tightening my laces,
Whatever.
Plan B. Now I will catch you.
Do it.
What? Mr. Peterson? It's not a dog. Is anybody working in this school?
Okay, I got you.
I got ya!
Shh, please, be quiet.
I knew it! Get this dog out of the school!
Come on, Daisy.
Good job!
Faster! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Detention! Oh, that's why the dog was barking. Chris!
Let's go home.
Chris, sorry, I was wrong about your dog. She will be our sheriff.
Police dog. I won.
Good girl.
Dad shouldn't see us. Are you ready, Sarah? Let's go.
Huh? Whoa! Oh, my glasses. Huh? I don't like dogs. It's just a toy. Toy.
That was close. Huh? Oh. Oh. Where is she? Hey, where is she? Hey, oh, we did it. Let's go to my room.
What's that smell?
Good girl. I need to hide you somewhere. Whoa! Oh. Hi, Dad. What's wrong, Dad?
Oh, Lily, wash your legs.
What? It can last one more day. Whoa! I should wash you up. Let's see what you have here. Ooh. Sarah, are you ready?
Lily!
Dad, I'm washing my hair. 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes. I got it.
Lily! Huh?
Dad? Hi. Oops. You're quite happy.
Shampoo for real man.
I'm so glad I met you. What's happening to you, Sarah? Okay, let's order some dog food. Oh, the courier will arrive tomorrow at 9 a.m. Good morning, Dad.
Where are my shoes?
I don't know. What are you doing? Stop. Give it to me.
Oh, thanks. Lily, where's my tie?
Thank you. Here's your tie. You leave your stuff everywhere.
Lily, where's my blazer?
This is my hair falling out from stress here. Dog food delivery.
But we don't have a dog.
Only a stuffed one.
Excuse us.
Bye.
Dog food? Seriously? It's just a stuffed toy.
Wait! Ooh. I hope Dad isn't back yet. Hey, come here. Yes. Where should I hide it? Perfect. Oh, hey. You wanna go for a walk? Yeah, let's go. Seems like I should find a new house for Sarah.
These discount cereals have a strange taste, but I like it.